everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I am bringing you a grocery haul and my meal plan for the week. So I did a grocery pickup at Kroger, and they were out of a couple of things, substituted a couple of things, so then I went to Target because I needed something else, so I decided I would see if they had what I needed there, and they did. I was able to pick up a couple of things there. And then I went to Michael's for some Christmas decor. So I'll show you all three of those shopping trips, and the first one we're going to start off with is, I guess we'll do the meal plan first. So I have my list here. So I brought a spiral ham, and so we're going to have a ham dinner, chicken taco chili, hot dogs, spaghetti. I'm going to attempt to make a new chicken recipe, so stay tuned for that. If I make that, I'll film that. And then I bought some catfish bites. They're just plain catfish. So I'm going to try to cook those in my air fryer. So I will also film that for you. So you're going to be getting, hopefully in the near future, an Instant Pot and a air fryer recipe cook with me coming your way. All right, so I'm going to try to keep this, I've got 3 hauls to kind of show you here, so I'm going to try to get this moving so that I don't spend a lot of time, because I know sometimes I start blah. I know, right? You should be used to that by now. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and let me show you what I bought. I grabbed some bananas because I don't know about you, but I've been eating a lot of bananas lately, and they're really good. And also, I'm going to be making some new banana recipes, ingredients with bananas, so hopefully I'll have that coming up soon. Picked up some more fajita seasoning just because I like to have this on hand, and it's really good. I'm telling you, if you are looking for a good fajita seasoning, this is your ticket right here. And I use this not only for fajitas, but also for my chicken fajita pasta, which is to die for, and I'll try to remember to put a link to that below. If I don't put it in there, just comment that I forgot, and I'll update it and give you the link for that recipe, but I'm pretty sure you could just search for that on my channel. All right, my granddaughter's coming over, and she likes to bake for her papa, so I picked him up some cake mix so she can make him a cake. I have a new recipe that I want to try to figure out, so I needed some vanilla wafers for those, and these are 6 points for 15 mini cookies. And the cake, I'm not going to eat that, so I'm not going to point that one out. I needed some oats, but I needed the quick cooking oats, and they didn't have it, so they gave me the old-fashioned oats, which I'll use, but now I have to remember to get out and get the quick cooking oats, so I'll have to put that back on my list to try to find that this week. I didn't even notice that that's what they substituted it for, so my bad on that one. Grab some corn, because I don't know about you, but we eat corn a lot here, so I picked up another 4 cans of corn because, again, it's a staple here. I ran out of Miracle Whip, so I have that. That is 1 point. And I'm on the purple plan, so let me kind of give you that caveat here. So purple plan, 1 point for this, 0 points for this. Oats are 0, 6 points for the mini wafers. I also needed some special dark Hershey's cocoa for a couple of new recipes that I want to try. Pretty sure this is going to be 0, but when I start putting this into recipes, it may count as points, but we'll talk about that when I make the recipes, so stay tuned for that. Next up, over here we have some Greek yogurt, and I needed that just for recipes. I don't eat this plain. I don't know if you do, but to me, the only time I guess I do eat it plain. I eat it on baked potatoes, but it tastes like sour cream to me, so that's how I use that. All right, I needed to make some little snack. I'm going to do a meal prep today, so I wanted to go ahead and put together a little snack, snack containers for myself so that I have a quick grab go-to. So I grabbed some string cheese for that. The string cheese is 1 point on all plans. Celery and carrot sticks because yum. And sometimes if you need a little shortcut, take the shortcut. Just, take the shortcut, let them do the work, and enjoy it. I wanted turkey pepperoni. I've never had this Applegate's uncured turkey pepperoni. So this one is 1 point for 1 ounce, and I'm thinking it's probably going to be like, 14 or 15 ounce, or 14 or 15 slices. I'll see when I measure it out. I guess there's 4 ounces in the bag. Hold on. 4 servings in the bag. So there's going to be about 17 slices. All right, that was pretty easy. I guess if you do the math, it works. My husband needed some chips for his lunch, so that is going to be, I think, 5 points per serving. I grabbed a thing of Prego. I didn't realize it was this tiny, so hopefully this will be enough for my husband and a little bit for me. If not, I'm just going to go ahead and whip up a batch of my homemade marinara sauce that's 0 points. But for now, this will get us through one dinner. I needed chicken, so I grabbed that, and it was on sale this week, so that's a nice size package of chicken. My granddaughter's coming, like I said, so she requested some chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, so I have that for her. Oven roasted turkey breast, 1 point for 1 ounce. I needed some hot dog buns, 3 points for those, all plans. My husband's, ice cream just fell. My husband's favorite bread, that's 2 points for 1 slice, 3 points for 2 slices, all plans on that. My granddaughter loves Doritos, and I need to have her take those with her next time when she leaves. But 5 points for those. She likes to have whole milk with her cereal, so I always get a fresh gallon of milk when she comes by. 6 points per cup in case you haven't scanned that one in a while. And my husband likes to have milk in his tea, so sometimes we'll enjoy a cup of tea with a little bit of milk and sweetener. So 6 points if you're using a whole cup of that. I wanted to get some better than bouillon, and they didn't have that. They substituted this. I told him I didn't want it. He said that he couldn't find it in the packaging, so Merry Christmas. So I got this, so I'm sure I'll use it, but I was just looking to get some more better than bouillon so I could start making some soups. My husband likes to have spaghetti and meatballs, and trust me, it's so much easier for me. I know I should probably make it for him, but so much easier just to have these in the freezer and just pull a few out and serve it with his spaghetti. And just makes it super easy. So got the meatballs, just in case you were wondering. 3 meatballs, 8 points, all plans. Of course, I needed some eggs because on my little snack packs, I'm going to make some eggs and have those ready to go. And of course, a little extra hairspray back there. Doesn't hurt anybody. All right, so this is my stuff at Kroger. I'm going to put this away. I'll come back and show you what I picked up at Target. Okay, so just to give us a little separation, this stuff came from Target, just so we're ready to go. Since they gave me a turkey pepperoni I had never had before, I was a little nervous, so I thought I would go ahead and get some turkey pepperoni that I've had before. So this turkey pepperoni is 12 for 1 point, and you can see it's good until April of next year, so I'll definitely go through this. I snack on it, I put it on pizzas. I love turkey pepperoni. So anyway, 12 pieces, 1 point, all plans. And my husband, I got him some regular pepperoni. So just to give you a comparison, 12 slices of this one is double the points at 4. 10 takes you down to 3. And if you wanted to have a 2 point serving, it would be 7. So still 7 pieces is not bad if you're making a small mini pizza. So if you don't like the turkey pepperoni, you can always have the other one. Picked up some ballpark franks. I was hoping they would be lower in points, but 6. I think I might have my other ones that are like 3 or 4 that I have in the fridge. So my husband can have these for 6. I also grabbed some thick cut bacon, and 1 slice is 2 points, 2 slices is 5 points. Do you guys like my cute little decoration up here? Does anybody else go through this too? Definitely my mind says Jim, but my heart says Christmas cookies. I mean, give me a thumbs up if you're with me on that one. All right, so I also picked up we have a real Christmas tree. I will take a picture of that later once I get it decorated, and give you guys a preview of that. But I picked up some of this Pine Wonderland because I don't know about you, but I love the smell of pine. And while I was at Target, I had seen this, so I thought, I'll just go ahead and get a couple of things in pine and just keep the house smelling like pine. It already smells so good in here with just us putting that Christmas tree up last night. All right, so I picked up some decorations, some cookie decorations. I have some peppermint crunch, and I'm going to use that for cookie decorations. And also I got a couple recipes that I needed some chopped up candy canes for. I mean, I could have done my own, but I didn't. I also picked up some sprinkles here. So these are the ones that are in here, just so you can kind of see how cute they are. And then I picked up the traditional one, just the ones that you're used to seeing all the time. But we always get together and make cookies together. But again, I'm gonna I have an ulterior motive for those, but I'll tell you that in a second. Also saw these cute little slipper socks, and I couldn't remember who told me they were looking for these, but now that I remember, I'll have to give Tanya a call after I get done filming, and let her know they have these at Target. But they have these, and they're super soft. They have a grip bottom, and I thought that I would pick up a couple pairs for myself. This pair here is for my twinsy Allison. You guys see her on my videos all the time. So I figured since she's with me all the time, I would get her a pair for here. And then I got myself 2 pairs. I got myself this really nice charcoal gray one. And did I mention these were $5? And then I got this white pair that matches one of my robes and a sleep mask. I've never had a sleep mask before, so I thought I would try that out. Yes, I know it's almost Christmas. Yes, I know I shouldn't be shopping for myself, but whatever. Please tell me you do the same. I also saw these, and I thought these would be so cute. So I picked up 1 for myself and 2 for gifts. So they say, so chill, quit slacking and make it happen. That's going to be my favorite one right there. Coffee and drink that water. I might have to give my mom this one because she definitely needs to be drinking her water. I was kind of hungry when I was walking through the store, so I did one of those impulse buys, and I got some of these Belvita, but these cranberry orange are like my favorite ones. I really, really like these. And I usually only eat 2 out of the package at a time. So that's all I did is I ate 2. If you eat all 4, it's going to be 8 points. 2 will be 4 points. And you can see here in the package, look, there's 2 left in there. Can you see? There you go. So 2 left in that package. So I'll put those into a container and have those another day. All right, so the reason why I have all those sprinkles is because I am going to try my hand at making hot cocoa bombs. And please let me know in the comments if you've made these and if you have any tricks to getting them done, because I've seen some successes and I've seen some failures. So I could not, I'm going to go buy some melting chocolates, but I thought in case I don't make it there in time, I just went ahead and bought these, but I can always use these for chocolate chip cookies later. So I got a combination of milk chocolate and semi-sweet because I always like to do a combination of the 2. And then I picked up 3 different kinds of hot cocoa mix. I picked up this peppermint, which you can see I got the peppermint candies over there. I just thought this would be fun just to do like a peppermint hot cocoa bomb. And it already comes with the marshmallows in it, so how cool is that? And then I got this milk chocolate one because, you know, milk chocolate. And then I have a reduced calorie flavor one, and this is the one I usually use. And sometimes I'll add this to my coffee and just have myself a cafe mocha. So it's always good to have on hand, and I was out of that. And then I picked up some mini marshmallows so that I could add in there too if I want to put those in the hot cocoa bombs. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's how I'm going to attempt it. All right, so let's get to the stats here. Swiss Miss Peppermint. Take a guess. How many points? You guys are not going to guess. 9 points per package. 9. So just beware when somebody's offering you a hot cocoa bomb that it could have 9 points of stuff inside it alone. This one, milk chocolate. Yes, you guessed it. 9 points. Can you believe it? And this one doesn't even have marshmallows. And then my milk chocolate reduced calorie one, 1 point. So choose your hot cocoa mix wisely. All right, so let me show you what I picked up at Michael's. There's just a couple of things there. I know this is a little longer than I normally do on my hauls, but hey, I figured you guys would want to check out how excited I was about getting some new stuff. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, so at Michael's, I needed to get some garland. I needed to have it for my fireplace decoration, and I really like this one because it has the pine cones, it's got the little hollow berries, it's got some sparkle to it, and I thought that would make a good addition to my fireplace. So again, that's what I went in there for. If you're looking for something like this, this was $29.99, but this week their garland and stuff was 50% off. Actually, everything that I got was 50% off because they have 50% off their Christmas decor. So super excited. So I went ahead and got this one. And this is what I was also looking for. Now, I did not buy this. I've had this. I think I picked this up at Home Goods, okay? So I have this, and I was going to decorate this and just put this on it, which would be really cute, and put it in the middle of my table. But I don't know. I wanted something different. And if I saw something, I figured I'd pick it up. So here's what I'm thinking, and let me know in the comments what you think. I know I'm saying let me know in the comments, but seriously, I want to know what you think, what your thoughts are. So instead of doing that, I picked up this. How pretty is that? I mean, here, let me kind of bring it a little closer. Look, it's got sparkle in it. It's so cute. I don't know, when it caught my eye, I'm like, I have to have that. So that was $24.99, but again, half off. So I have this. And then, I don't know about you, but I love flickering candles. So I picked up this set of super sparkly gold candles. And look here. It's got the flicker. So that's going to be really pretty. So I have this, and I picked up some little red and gold balls. I figured I would just toss those on the tray. So I'll once I get this done, I'll show you what my kitchen table looks like. But that's kind of what I'm thinking, and I think that I'm going to be a lot happier with that combination than I will this. So let me know your thoughts, but I think it's going to look gorgeous. I'm going to sign off from here. Let me know what was your favorite thing you saw today, or what your favorite, you know, what maybe an aha moment about a point on something that I showed you. All right, with that said, I'm going to sign off because I really don't want this to be, 35 minutes long, which I'm sure it's not going to be, but all right, so signing off. Have a great day. See you next video.